So this is a continuation of number 11 that we looked at last time. We only started it in class, but we did see that we needed to factor the denominator. So we could start looking for a common denominator. So between our denominators, keep in mind that this is a whole factor, so we cannot break it up into terms or anything like that. We need to find a common denominator between the two. So looking at this, it's going to be x plus y, x minus y, and this side has everything that it needs. This side needs an x minus y. So we will go ahead and say, x minus y. Okay, now keep in mind this whole thing is grouped with the fraction bar, so we're going to have to distribute this off to the side and then carry on from there. So let's see, we've got x minus y, x minus y. When we distribute, we should get x squared minus xy minus xy plus y squared. Okay, so x, that's the top row, we're done with x, bottom row, done with y, and then we combine those. So we have x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Now keep in mind this entire thing is being subtracted, so we essentially have a 15xy minus this whole thing. So we will have to distribute this out. This is just my side work. So we have x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Okay, when we go to distribute that out with the negative, we're going to get negative x squared plus 2xy minus y squared, right? So if we distribute this thing out, this is what we get. So all in all, it's 15xy minus all this stuff. So we want to combine our like terms. We've got xy's here, so we really have negative x squared plus 17xy minus y squared. Now technically we would factor off the negative and we would look to see if we could factor here, because you might be able to simplify with the denominator, but fortunately I know that this is going to be prime, at least with the methods that we currently have available to us. So we can just go ahead and write, oh, that's a negative, my bad. Always want to check our notation, make sure that we didn't make any typos or rightos. And then we have x minus y, and so this is the total answer.